What's the meaning of circumcise? Circumcise. Circumcise.
Circumcise. Circumcise. Circumcision is a surgical procedure that involves the removal of the foreskin from the penis, typically performed for cultural or religious reasons. The result of circumcision is a permanent change in the appearance and function of the penis. The foreskin covers the head of the penis, and its removal exposes the glands. Circumcision may provide certain health benefits, such as reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, but is also associated with potential complications, such as bleeding and infection. Ultimately, the decision to circumcise is a personal one and should be made after weighing the pros and cons.